it's me. I'm in Sanya. There's a really nice bridge here. I've set myself a challenge. We're going to go climb the chun. What is it? The ling Forest Park. We'll be able to see the city from an angle, but you just wouldn't believe we're even possible. This tubby guy. Daryl, what are you having for breakfast? Looks well fun, doesn't it? It goes up and down. I've set myself a challenge to walk all the way there from here. I think it's about 3 kilometres, so it should take about half an hour. God knows what we'll see on the way. What's he pipping up? Little market here. I just love them kind of trees. It just makes me feel so like rainforesty in a city. This is like I'm dead and I'm just walking in my heaven. Oh yeah, look how crappy and old it is. Oh, it's just perfect. Yeah, this beats anything, doesn't it? Let's be honest. Oh, just look how fun it is. So we have one more bridge to cross and then we climb to the top of the hill. I think it's that hill over there. There's something on top of it. God knows if we'll make it all that way to the top. It's at Four Seasons Hotel. They're like big hotel shaped like big leaves. That's very famous here. What do you reckon now that you see it up close? We're already starting to walk uphill. I'm regretting this already. This is just my paradise. It's just perfect. Why ain't this England? If this were England, my life would just be a dream. He's got knee supports on his legs. What's that about? Sun's out, guns out. I feel like I want to go this way. Just brought a chair out, just chilling. Don't think you'll be able to see it. All the way. There's a few of them here. Right, well we've arrived at the entrance. Let's go in. Well, it looks like a nice gradual climb. Nothing too extreme. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, it looks like there's a ticket gate. How much does she want? Oh, you've got to scan the bloody thing to get in. 你好，我没有身份证，那个
有微信吗？
有的。
扫一下那个码，微信扫一扫。
Alright, not very easy. 就要这个，对吧？
对。
那个爬上要多长时间？
欢迎光临，严禁吸烟，防范森林火灾。
Says it takes an hour. That's perfect. Observation tower or the chess table. He's sweating, old lad. That'll be me shortly. Well, it didn't take long. I'm already sweating. Yeah, I guess it takes more effort to go up, doesn't it? Progress report. Ow! Oh, I just stuck my toe. Progress report. I'm wiping my sweat down now. Good job I've got these tissues. Gonna have to take some clothes off when I get to the top. Out of the corner of my eye, I can see it. Made it. Oh yeah, it's well worth it. They were some good memories, weren't they? And I especially like how the Chinese tourist attraction had the jazz version of Loving You. A little treat for when you got to the top. Right, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.